Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a cake, it's delicious, super easy to make, and no need to bake it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you need to crush your favorite cookies. I'm using a blender. Then add them into a bowl. Then add 110 grams of melted butter and let's mix together. Now let's add it into a baking pan with some baking paper at the bottom and squish it with a spoon. Now let it sit in the fridge. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. In a little bowl, add 15 grams of gelatin and with warm water, mix it and let it sit. In another bowl, add 700 grams of cottage cheese and use a fork to mush it. Now let's add 1 can of sweetened milk or caramel sauce. And let's mix it together. When the gelatin is done, let's heat it up with a microwave and add the gelatin into the sweet mixture. And keep mixing. Let's fill up the cake and use a spoon to spread out the cream. Now let's prepare the decorations. I'm using 2 peaches and I'm cutting them into very small slices. Decorate it however you want it with them. I'm using a sun formation. Now let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours, and when it's all done, use a knife to separate the pan from the cake. And now let's plate it and cut it into bite sizes or portion sizes. And this is the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, because if you did, you have to try it out, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.